This is a Volkswagen Beetle, and nothing about it makes sense.
Most people remember the Beetle as simple, quiet, harmless.
Because sometimes respect for history means breaking it.
This one was never meant to stay that way.
This build didn't start as a joke.
It started as preservation. Every panel restored. Every surface reimagined. Not to stay original, but to evolve. And evolution demanded a new heart. A heart no Beetle was ever designed to handle. A V8 engine, loud and unapologetic. Power that rewrites identity. Every component reinforced to survive the madness.
Is controlled aggression.
Every component reinforced to survive the madness. Because power without discipline destroys. The body tells the rest of the story. Once innocent curves, now reshaped into defiance. Still a Beetle.
And then comes the pickup conversion.
Yet somehow feels right. It carries attitude. This bed doesn't carry cargo.
Then there's the paint.
Airbrush art layered with obsession. Not decoration. Expression. A signature no factory could replicate.
Even at rest, it demands attention. At motion, it commands silence.
People don't ask how fast it is.
They ask why.
Because the easiest builds are boring.
And legends are never easy. This Beetle wasn't modified.
Loved by some.
hated by others.
It was transformed. Ignored by none.
Because it refuses to blend in. It is cared for. Respected. And driven with intent.
Not abused. Understood.
This is not restoration. This is rebellion with discipline.
A classic, rewritten.
A legend, redefined.
This Beetle survived history and chose chaos. By design.
By passion.
Not everyone will understand it.
And that's the point.
Because ordinary was never the goal. Unforgettable was. A Volkswagen Beetle that refused to stay ordinary. Built, not bought.
This is a statement.
This is not just a Beetle.